Hello friends, what's up? I wish you will be alright. So welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to show admob video ads on GDevelop game. So watch this full video. In first I'll show you I made a game on GDevelop and I uploaded on Facebook. If you want to know how to upload our GDevelop game on Facebook and how to monetize, then subscribe our channel. I will show you everything in next video. This is my infinite alien space shooter game. I uploaded on Facebook and this game is live on Facebook. You can see here. My game is approved, okay? And I've also monetized my game with Facebook ads. I will teach you everything in next video, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can see here, this is my infinite alien space shooter game I made on GDevelop software. Okay. You can see here Facebook interstitial ad is showing. And here you can see it's a Facebook video ads. So friends, if you want to know how to make this game on GDevelop software and how to monetize this game on Facebook ads and how to upload game on Facebook, then comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, so come to the video point. I'm gonna to show you how to show video ads on GDevelop game. So open your GDevelop software. GDevelop is a very easy and without programming game maker software. And this is free software. So just go on the GDevelop website and download it. I will teach you everything how to make a best game and how to upload the GDevelop game on all app stores. I will teach you everything. So please subscribe our channel. For video ads, so I'm gonna to create a button. If I will click on button, then video ads will be shown. So click on the add a new object and click on text and type here a start button, start, and change its size 90, bold, this one will be red, and click on apply and drag this text on screen here. Okay, go to behaviors, add a behavior, and it will be sign movement. Then click on apply and now go to events and click on add a new events, add condition at the beginning of scene, click here at the beginning of scene and then click on OK and now click on add action, add, and click here load video and now go to Chrome browser, open your Google AdMob you can create a new code from here. I have 3 video codes, so I will not create a new code. I'm gonna to copy this code. Click here to copy this unit ID and now open your GDevelop software and paste here your code. And here click on yes, then click on OK. And now click on add a new event and click on add condition and click on other conditions click on mouse and touch. Mouse button pressed or touch held. Left and then click on OK. Add action and type here add. And click on show video and then click on OK. And then click on add a new event, add condition and type here add and click here video reward and then click on OK. If a video reward will be given, then scene will be changed. Click on add action, other actions and click on scene, change the scene and scene will be new scene. Okay, then click on OK. If left button will be pressed on a start, then admob video will be show and then after showing video scene will be changed. Okay, so it's a very easy programming. Without knowledge, anyone can make a game on this GDevelop software. So just go on GDevelop website and download this software. It's free. You can make unlimited games on GDevelop. If I will click on start, then scene will be changed. Friends, admob video will not show on GDevelop preview. Admob video will show only in mobile. Okay, so that's all for today. I wish you like this video and subscribe our channel. If you have any type of question, then comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.